Hello and welcome. In this session, I'll walk you through one of the most reliable indicators in trading, the Relative Strength Index, also called RSI. We'll specifically focus on how to use the RSI strategy to trade fixed time on Olymptrade. By the end of this training, you'll know what RSI is, how to set it up, the rules for entering UP and DOWN trades, and how to apply risk management for long-term success. The Relative Strength Index, RSI, is a momentum oscillator. It measures how strong recent price movements are and shows whether the market is overbought or oversold. It moves on a scale from 0 to 100. When RSI goes above 70, it means the market is overbought. This often signals that the price may soon drop. When RSI goes below 30, it means the market is oversold. This often signals that the price may soon rise. In short, over 70 equals the market might be too high, potential down opportunity. Below 30 equals the market might be too low, potential UP opportunity. Now let's see how to set up RSI on the Olymptrade platform. 1. Log into your Olymptrade account. 2. Switch to fixed time trading mode. 3. Choose your asset, for example, EUR/USD, gold or oil. 4. Open the indicators tab. 5. Select RSI and keep the default period at 14. This is the most widely used setting. You'll now see a separate line graph below your chart that moves between 0 and 100. That's your RSI indicator. Here's how you can apply RSI signals in fixed time trading. UP trade, buy, wait until RSI goes below 30, oversold, then wait for it to start moving upward, crossing back above 30. This indicates that selling pressure is weakening and buyers may take control. That's your entry for an UP trade. Down trade, sell. Wait until RSI goes above 70, overbought. Then wait for it to start moving downward, crossing below 70. This indicates that buying pressure is weakening and sellers may take over. That's your entry for a down trade. For best results, match your trade duration with the chart time frame. On a 1-minute chart, set trades for 3 to 5 minutes. On a 5-minute chart, set trades for 10 to 15 minutes. Now here's a powerful tip. RSI works best when you trade in the direction of the trend. If the overall trend is upward, focus more on UP trades when RSI is oversold. If the overall trend is downward, focus more on down trades when RSI is overbought. This way, you're not fighting against the market's bigger direction, you're working with it. Remember, no indicator is perfect. RSI can sometimes give false signals. That's why you must manage your risk. Risk only a small percentage of your account, ideally 1 to 2% per trade. Avoid trading during major news events when price moves are too volatile. Don't overtrade. Wait for clear signals instead of forcing trades. Good risk management helps you stay consistent even if you lose a few trades. Let's put this into practice with an example. You're trading euro-dollar on a 5-minute chart. The RSI drops to 25, showing oversold conditions. Soon, it turns upward and crosses back above 30. You place an UP trade for 10 minutes. As the price rebounds, your trade closes in profit. Now imagine you're trading gold. The RSI climbs to 75, signaling overbought. A few candles later, the RSI starts to fall below 70. You place a down trade for 15 minutes. As the price corrects, you win again. That's how the RSI strategy helps you catch reversals. And that's how you use the RSI strategy on Olymptrade for fixed time trading. Let's quickly recap the key lessons. The RSI tells us when the market is overbought above 70 or oversold below 30. When RSI climbs above 70 and starts to turn downward, it often signals a chance for a down trade. When RSI dips below 30 and begins to rise, it often signals a chance for an UP trade. To improve accuracy, always check the overall trend. RSI signals are strongest when they align with the bigger market direction. And finally, never forget risk management. Trade small, stay disciplined, and protect your capital. Now here's the most important takeaway. The RSI is not just an indicator, it's a tool for building patience and discipline. It teaches you to wait for the right moment instead of chasing every move. So my advice is this. Start with the demo account. Practice until you can spot RSI signals without hesitation. Test different expiration times, 3 to 5 minutes on short charts, 10 to 15 minutes on longer charts. Once you feel confident, move to real trades slowly, starting with small amounts. Remember, success in fixed time trading isn't about rushing or trying to win every single trade. It's about consistency. Small, smart decisions add up over time. If you follow the RSI rules with discipline, you'll notice how much more confident and steady your trading becomes. So take your time, trust the process, and let RSI guide you toward better trades. With patience and consistency, you can turn this simple but powerful strategy into one of your most reliable trading tools on Olymptrade. Thank you for watching, and I wish you profitable trades, strong discipline, and continued growth in your fixed time trading journey.